Hey guys, imagine this. You walk into your office and there's a robot sitting in your chair, sipping coffee and doing your job. Are your careers over, or is this your big break? This isn't some sci-fi movie, it's the future unfolding worldwide. In Japan, robots are caring for the elderly. In the US and China, they're serving food. So what's next? Will robots take your job or turn you into a superstar? Don't skip this video. By the end, I'll show you how to team up with robots and land high-paying jobs. Smash that like button now and drop a comment. Are robots our enemies? Let's dive into the details. First, the bad news. Yes, robots can take jobs. The World Bank warns that in the next decade, 30% of jobs could shift to AI and robots. Why? Robots don't get tired, don't make mistakes, and work 24/7. Take this example. In China, Tesla's Optimus robot is handling the work of 10 people in factories alone. Here, accounting, call centers, even content writing, AI is stepping in. Imagine you're writing a blog for hours, and AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, or Claude finish it in minutes. So are you all doomed to be jobless? Hold on, here's the twist. Now the good news. Robots aren't your enemies, they can be your partners. Every new technology opens doors to new jobs. Look at history. The Industrial Revolution took some jobs, but created millions more. The same is happening now. Roles like robot design, maintenance, and AI training didn't exist before. Example, AI specialists in cities worldwide earn $50,000 to $200,000 annually. In the US, AI coders can make $100,000 a year. Imagine you're training a robot's brain or teaching it to move, all from your desk and earning big. With a laptop and some skills, you can tap into this global opportunity. How do you start? Here are 3 simple steps, no need to break the bank. Step 1, start with free resources. Search Python for AI on YouTube. Free tutorials can get you the basics in 2 to 3 hours. Step 2, upgrade your skills. Grab a $10 course like Robotics for Beginners on Udemy. People worldwide have started freelancing with it. Step 3, hunt for jobs. Search AI specialist on LinkedIn. Global companies like TCS, Wipro, or startups are hiring. For freelancing, create a profile on Fiverr, write AI-powered developer, and watch clients line up. Yes, robots will handle repetitive tasks, but your creativity and ideas, no robot can touch that. Comment, "I'll learn AI" if you're up for the challenge. Real-life win? An engineer from a small town landed a robot developer role at Tesla, earning $30,000 a year. You can too, just learn AI. Final question, guys. When robots enter our offices, homes, even coffee shops worldwide, where do we fit in? Answer: in our creativity and heart. Robots will bring skills, we'll use them to change the world. This isn't a fight of humans versus robots, it's humans and robots building an amazing future together. What do you think? Will robots take your job or lift you higher? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'll reply. Like if you're motivated, share with your friends, and subscribe to TechInsight Daily. For more, hit the bell icon for future updates.